In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add hover effect on image in Wix. To begin, open your site in the Wix editor. Make sure you are on the page where you want the image hover effect to appear. This is important because you will be adding and customizing a gallery directly inside the editor. And it is always easier to make design changes when you are working on the exact section of the site where the images will be displayed. Once your site is open, go to the left sidebar and click the plus icon, which is the Add Elements button. This is where Wix keeps the tools and design elements you can place onto your page. After that, select Gallery. Wix offers galleries because hover effects are built into many gallery designs, which makes this process simple and beginner-friendly. After adding the gallery to your page, click on the gallery itself and then choose Settings. This will open the controls for that gallery so you can adjust how it looks and behaves. If needed, take a moment to make sure you have the correct gallery selected before moving on, especially if your page contains more than one image section. Inside the gallery settings, go to the Design tab. This is where the visual styling options are located. In the Design area, look for Hover Effects. This section controls what visitors see when they place their cursor over an image. Hover effects can make your site feel more polished and interactive, and they are a great way to draw attention to images without changing the layout of the page. Next, choose your preferred hover behavior. Depending on the gallery style you are using, Wix may offer different visual responses when someone hovers over an image. Pick the one that best matches the look and feel of your site. Try to keep the effect consistent with your overall branding so the design feels intentional and clean. If the option is available, customize the hover color or overlay settings. This allows you to refine the appearance even further. For example, you can adjust the overlay so text or visual emphasis stands out more clearly while still keeping the image visible underneath. Small design adjustments here can make a big difference in how professional the final result looks. Once you are happy with the hover effect, click Publish. This makes your changes live so visitors can see the updated image behavior on your website. That covers everything you need to know.